Now, skilling and employment. Emphasizing on the importance of employment generation, my government developed a system to meet the occupational needs of public and private sector as well. The government has passed a legislation reserving 75% of the employment for locals in the industries and factories that are set up in the state. Further, in the last 45 months, my government has provided 2.13 lakh permanent jobs, 45,871 contract jobs, and 3.72 lakh outsourcing other jobs. A total of 6.31 lakh jobs. The salaries of 3.08 lakh outsourcing honorarium-based employees were enhanced. All contractual employees were also provided with minimum time scale. For enhancing employability skills of students to make them job ready, placement linked and industry relevant short-term skill development courses are offered. The key target is providing training under skill development for students and unemployed with substantial enhancing of the placement rate. Towards this direction, in order to design the courses as per demand and to ensure 75% of placements, my government has proposed to establish a skill university and 25 world-class multi-skill centers in 25 parliamentary constituencies under YSR multi-skill development centers in 2 phases. For creation of rural employment, 69.90 lakh wage seekers belonging to 42.66 lakh households were provided wage employment incurring an expenditure of rupees 6,315.13 crores under Manregas. Of this, an amount of rupees 3,869.51 crore was towards unsealed wage component and rupees 2,312.09 crore was towards skilled wages and material components. 73,725 households completed 100 days of wage employment during financial year 2022-23. Andhra Pradesh is the first state in the country which has undertaken a comprehensive resurvey after 100 years using the most modern and advanced survey technologies in 17,584 villages. Through the YSR Jagananna Shashwata Bhuu Mariyu Bhuraksha Pathakam, landowners' title security is ensured by providing Bhuu Patram and securing boundaries by planting Bhuraksha survey stones free of cost. My government is committed to complete the project by December 2023. So far, Shashwata Bhuu Patralu were distributed to 4,38,899 property owners in 2,000 villages. This admirable initiative has received wide acclaim from Niti Aayog. Marching ahead